Hello, and welcome to TTS Granite's short video on using the kitchen visualizer to understand what we can do to improve your kitchen. TTS Granite is Chicagoland's best provider of granite, marble, and quartz stone customized to make your home look glorious. When it comes to making decisions on how to best improve your kitchen, it's always better to have some sort of visual representation to understand the changes you want to make. With the kitchen visualizer right on our website at ttsgranite.com, you can quickly and easily develop an idea of what your kitchen might look like when you have our experts improve your kitchen. Okay, let's talk about how you can use our kitchen visualizer from our website to get an idea what your kitchen might look like when you work with TTS Granite. The first step, of course, is to go to our website, which, as you can see here, is www.ttsgranite.com. And once you get there, you'll get to this beautiful screen, and it has a bunch of stuff on it. The thing you want to look for is the very first link here, which is called Visualize. And once you mouse over it, the very first selection is the kitchen visualizer. So mouse over it and then click it. And once you click it, then you will get to our kitchen visualizer. Now, a couple things with our visualizer. We have three different types of kitchens that you can look at. These images here being the samples that will change as you make decisions, which we will see in a second. So we have the common one that most people use, which is this one here, which loaded with the page. And then we have a different angle of a kitchen. And then we, of course, have yet another angle of a kitchen. So you can kind of get a feel what is closest to what you have or what you're going to have put into your kitchen. For our discussion here, we will just use the basic one that comes with the visualizer when you click on the link. Now notice you can see the floor, the cabinets, the countertops themselves, and the backsplash to over by the stove. And then over here in the second picture is more of a close-up so that you can get a better view of the backsplash. So now what you need to do is you have these four options here: your countertops, your backsplash, your cabinet color, and your floor. And it's very simple to use. All you need to do is find a swatch that you like or that you'd like to see and click it on any of these four. And what you'll do from there is you'll mix and match to best find what suits you and suits your eye and what you think will make your kitchen beautiful. So as an example, we're going to start with the countertop, and we're going to go with this Agatha. That's a Agatha black. It's a black colored countertop. And as you can see, when I clicked it, the countertops turned black here, and over here. You can barely see it, but over there as well. And on this one, you can see that this countertop is now black as well. So we did that one. You can click through and just choose and just kind of take a look around and see which one of these kind of fits the look and feel that you're looking for. So maybe you like this Antico cloud, and maybe you like this Amarillo ornamental color. Whichever color you like, you kind of click through until you find one that you like. And you can always go back and change, with some of these other options. Maybe you'll change your options and then you'll want to go back. That option is always available to you. So you make your first selection for the countertop. Same thing goes with the backsplash. You can try different backsplashes. And as you can see, the backsplash changed over here, but it also changed over here so you can get a better view of exactly what that would look like. And again, you can click through the various colors and styles to see which one it best meets your eye. So we can click, I'll leave it on this one for now, and then we'll go to the next one, the cabinet color. Now, whether you're getting new cabinets or not, it still is probably good that you take a look at the cabinet color and how it plays with the rest of the room. So even if you're not replacing your cabinets, you can still try to find a color that's close to what you have so that you can get a decent idea what your room will look like once TTS Granite does your countertops for you. So I just clicked on this maple color. You could try this honey color. Not liking that one myself, but you could go to black if you like a more blackened look to go with the dark the Agatha color that we chose originally over here. whichever you like. And then last but not least is the floor coloring itself. And again, you can click through each of the various styles until you find the one that you think best suits the kitchen that you are looking for. And then once you're done with all of it, you can see next to the headings for each section, it now has a listing for you. So you can just write this down and bring it to us or give us a call here at TTS Granite, and we'll let you know what we can do. So like for this, we're selecting the countertop being Agatha Black with the Carrera 2x4 honed and beveled backsplash with a black cabinet color and the Cemento Navarro flooring. So, and if you ever forget what any of these are, if you don't look here, you can always just mouse over each of these color styles as well, and it tells you, a little menu pops up. It tells you exactly what the name of it is. So that's how you work our visualizer. It's quick. It's very easy to use. And within just a couple of clicks, a few clicks, you can investigate what you're looking for, and eventually you can find the perfect combination that will make your kitchen sparkle. We hope this short video made using our kitchen visualizer a bit easier for you, so you can find that perfect look that you've been looking for. For more information, please call us at TTS Granite today. Call 708-755-5200 for our Stager showroom, or call 708-478-1402 for our showroom in Mokina. Thank you again for watching, and thank you in advance for working with TTS Granite, Chicagoland's premier marble, granite, and quartz craftsman.